What's going on, everyone? Today is happy iPhone day. And instead of making two different videos, I figured let's unbox these one by one. So we have the 17 and the 17 Pro. No Max, just Pro. Let's get into this one first. Apple, as always, with the amazing packaging. It's an experience, right? Let's get it. This is actually my son's phone. Shout out to Anthony. Tomorrow's his birthday, the 20th, September 20th. Here we go, here we go. Boom. Wow, that looks so good. Wait, we should have some light. Hold on. Let me get some light for us. There we go. Now we got some light. Oh yeah. 17 looking crispy. Don't mind my little stool. We're gonna get a desk soon, but for now, the stool will have to just do. Yeah, baby, that's the 17. Son's first official phone. Let's see what's in the box. Of course, gotta get your cables, USB-C cables, and a sleeve of paperwork. It's not even a sleeve. It's just like one sleeve of paperwork. And that's it for that unboxing. Let's do the honors. Everybody loves this part, right? Ooh. Wow. Crispy. Jeez. I ain't gonna lie. I kind of like the 17. It feels super premium in the hand, bro. I'm excited to see what the 17 Pro feels and looks like. So that's the 17. We'll put it on the side because I want to do a size comparison. Let's see. All right, push this to the side. Moving on to bigger and better things. And the much anticipated, much anticipated iPhone 17 Pro. What's the color on this? I don't even remember. Cosmic orange, excuse me. I'm excited to see what cosmic orange looks like face to face. This year I didn't go to the Apple store to view the phone. I remember for the 15 I did go view the phone. But this one, I knew when mine was coming, so I said I'll just wait. But we will go to the Apple store, and I want to check out the Air. The Air looks fire. The Air looks fire, but I want to see that face to face. So, yeah. Let's get into the cosmic orange. Oh, this looks so good. It looks like something out of Halo. This feels heavier. See this? Oh man. That camera bump. Fuck. So good. All right. Everyone's favorite part. Yeah. It looks really good. It looks really good. You could tell the difference between the 17, the 17 Pro, just by holding it. The Pro definitely feels a lot more premium. What I did notice off rip, that antenna band on top is not on the 17 regular. I don't know if that's even coming up. But they don't have that up here. But it looks so freaking good, dude. I am loving this phone right now. USB-C port in the bottom. You see that? No? Oh, this camera's ass. Another USB-C port. Speaker grill in the bottom. So, question. Oh, yeah, it does have it. Okay. So, I know this was like a thing last year with the camera. The fact that the 17 has this now, that's fire. I'm coming from the 15. Might as well bring the 15 while we're here, right? Here's my 15. The 15 was fire. This color Looks a lot like the 17 color. Yeah. I mean, this is more matte. This is more glossy. But, is it the same? I think the 15. No. I actually think the 17 is thinner. You see that? 17, 15 Pro. I think, yeah, the 17 is definitely thinner. Now let's try the 17 Pro with the 15 Pro. The 17 Pro, yeah, the 17 Pro is way thicker. That's a thick lady right there, brother. My screen is dirty as hell. But yeah, man, that was the unboxing / comparison. Let me know in the comments down below which phone you'll be getting, or would you be staying with your own old phones? Let me know in the comments down below. Until then, that has been it for me. Rate, comment, subscribe if you like these kind of videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.